Hi parents. So today I am going to show you how to use IXL. It's a program that we were able to get since we started remote learning, and I'm not too familiar with it, but I'm playing around with it, and I just kind of wanted to give you a gist of some of the things that you can do for extra math practice. Since I know ConnectEd is great, but sometimes the kids get tired of playing the same game over and over again. And so I thought this would just be another great resource for you. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to sign at the top on the right-hand side. It'll say username and password, and you're just going to use your child's username and password that I provided you in the email. After they sign in, you are going to get a page that looks like this. It says recommendations, and these are just some skills that they recommend first grade to practice. And I think it's just a review of math and science and literacy. And so I kind of want to focus on math using IXL. I know there's different skills that I can set up, but for right now, we'll just focus on math. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on math, and then you're going to click on first grade, and it says see all skills. And so this part does get a little overwhelming, but it does break down the skills. So for example, maybe you want your child to work on money. And so if you put your mouse over, it kind of gives you a preview, and this is actually really great for first grade. So maybe I want to do that. So we click on it. And then you're able to answer questions. So how much is the coin worth? Click on the answer, submit, and you keep going. Like I said, I think this is a great resource for your child to have extra math practice. I suggest doing this or a few questions every day, unless they prefer ConnectEd, but I feel like this is just another great resource. Again, I am new to this, so I believe at some point I can even suggest skills to each student. But again, that's just something I'm trying to work through. If you have an older child and they're working through IXL and you have any points or tips, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, you get a gist of how to use this resource. All right, I hope this helped. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to email me.